Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best vacuum sealer for food preservation on the market, the MZROT 6-in-1 vacuum sealer machine. Whether you're looking to keep your leftovers fresh, prep meals ahead of time, or try sous vide cooking, this vacuum sealer offers a powerful and compact solution that stands out for its versatility and performance. Right off the bat, the MZROT vacuum sealer impresses with its 6-in-1 functionality. This means it's not just a simple vacuum sealer. It provides multiple modes tailored to different types of food. You get the dry and moist modes, allowing you to select the best setting based on whether you're sealing dry goods or liquids. Plus, there's a dedicated seal mode if you just want to seal bags without vacuuming, and a vacuum and seal mode for airtight freshness. An added bonus is the external sliding blade design, which lets you cut bags to the perfect size quickly and safely, and you can even stop the process midway if needed. The machine boasts a powerful suction strength of 75 kilopascals, which ensures that air is thoroughly removed, preserving food freshness and locking in flavor for much longer storage times. This suction strength works well with a variety of foods, from dry snacks to wet ingredients like marinated meats or soups. It truly helps extend the shelf life of your food, reducing waste and saving money. Another standout feature is its compact and sleek design. The MZROT vacuum sealer fits perfectly in small kitchens, making it easy to store when not in use. Despite its small footprint, it delivers professional-grade sealing performance, making it ideal for home cooks who want convenience without sacrificing quality. When you purchase this vacuum sealer, you're getting a full starter kit that includes everything you need to get started immediately. Along with the vacuum sealer itself, you receive 10 heat seal bags in 2 different sizes, an external air suction hose for vacuuming containers, a foam seal ring replacement, and a clear user manual to guide you through the setup and use. This makes the entire process stress-free, even for beginners. The MZROT vacuum sealer runs on a 120-volt power supply with a 130-watt motor, providing efficient automatic operation. It's made from durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material, ensuring longevity and reliability for everyday kitchen use. Weighing just 2.61 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy. Whether you want to marinate meat quickly, prep meals for sous vide cooking, or simply keep your snacks fresh longer, this vacuum sealer is a true kitchen essential. It locks in freshness and flavor while reducing exposure to air and moisture, which are the main causes of food spoilage. In summary, the MZROT 6-in-1 vacuum sealer machine combines powerful vacuum performance, multifunctionality, compact design, and a complete accessory kit into one affordable and efficient appliance. It is designed to make food storage easier and more effective, helping you save money, reduce waste, and enjoy fresher food every day. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want a reliable vacuum sealer that does it all, this MZROT machine is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and kitchen essentials. See you next time.